The upper trapezius is a muscle that starts on the base of the skull and fans down and out to the tip of the shoulder blade, as well as down towards the middle of the shoulder blade. When the upper trapezius tightens up, it actually forces the head up into this position. This can happen because as human beings, we hold a lot of stress and tension in our shoulders. So we tend to bunch everything up into that position. So we're gonna go over some different techniques that we can use to loosen up the upper trapezius. The first thing we want to do is relieve the tension in the upper traps. So again, the muscle starts from the base of the skull and fans out to the shoulder blade. So this is the area that we can trace using whatever method that we choose. So I can actually start up onto my neck, looking for any tender spots, and start to work my way down. A lot of times, most discomfort is going to be more in the crook of the neck, kind of where the neck meets the shoulder. And once I find a tender spot, I'm going to hold over that area for 60 seconds to 2 minutes. And then once I'm done, I can start to look for other areas. I can go all the way out to the tip of my shoulder, or I can work my way down in between the shoulder blade and the spine. And then once I'm done with one side, I can work my way over to the other. Next, we're going to want to stretch the upper trap out. So if I want to stretch the right upper trap, I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to reach it over to my left hand side, and I'm going to gently hold on to it with my left hand. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt my head away from that shoulder. And this is going to open up that upper trapezius. You can kind of play around with the angles a little bit, so you can kind of tilt the head down and forward or just straight over the side, hitting different fibers of the upper trapezius. We're going to hold this stretch for 60 seconds to 2 minutes, and then we can switch over to the other side.